Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Superstar Storytime. Thanks for subscribing to our channel, it really helps us. Make sure you click the notification bell and that way you'll always know when there's a new story for you to enjoy. Today's story is Walking Through the Jungle and it was written by Julie Lacombe. Let's get started. Walking Through the Jungle. Walking through the jungle, what do you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Can you think of an animal that makes that sound? Can you make the sound with me? Over there, a snake looking for his tea. It's a long snake. Can you see what colours the snake is? We have yellow and brown and orange on this long snake. Creeping through the jungle, what do you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Grrr. I wonder what animal's next. Over there, a tiger looking for his tea. What colour is our tiger, boys and girls? That's right, it's orange and black. Orange with black stripes. Running through the jungle, what do you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Trump, trump. What animal in the jungle do you think is next, boys and girls? Let's have a look. Did you guess an elephant? If you did, well done. Over there, an elephant looking for his tea. Look at the elephant's long trunk and big ears. And what's this having a ride on the elephant's back? Leaping through the jungle, what do you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Roar! Over there, a lion looking for his tea. Look at the lion leaping through the jungle. He looks very hungry, doesn't he? Swinging through the jungle, what do you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Chitter chatter. Chitter chatter. What animal goes chitter chatter, chitter chatter? Let's have a look. A monkey. Over there, a monkey looking for his tea. He looks like he's having fun swinging through the trees in the jungle, doesn't he? Wading through the jungle, what can you see? Can you hear a noise? What could it be? Snap, snap. Snap, snap. What do you think is in this river? Going snap, snap, looking for its tea. Over there, a crocodile looking for its tea. Nice sharp teeth on that crocodile. I hope it isn't me. I'm sure it wouldn't be the little boy in the story. I think he was using his imagination to see all those animals. Do you have a great imagination? I hope you enjoyed this story. Have a great day and remember, keep on shining.